Hey fam, CFCS Chief, just wanted to give a quick product unboxing of the Premier Body Armor. Premier Body Armor, check it out. Came in a nice box, two inserts, comes with your polyester shirt. Pretty well made. Let me see here, oneenemy.com. The shirt came in this package. See the brand. And show what it looks like. I'm normally this is a medium, so just to order usually between a medium and large, so I said to order the size smaller. So if you want it snug on yourself. Nice. Feels really good. Bad. Good front and back protection. Tucking at the waist. Not too shabby. Go. Underneath your bluey Hawaiian shirt, you're ready to rock. Not too shabby. Yeah. Pretty clean. And there it is. Feels really comfortable. I mean, obviously I'd be wearing this under a suit, but for private protection, but otherwise on a daily basis I could probably wear it as well. Probably not with a Hawaiian shirt. It really does stick out, kind of square body, so you can really tell something's going on in there. But overall, it's covering a ton of area. Highly recommend it if you. One of the things people don't talk about is if you conceal carry. I always try to recommend carrying a pair of flex cuffs with you. If you get a chance, some soft body armor. If you are planning on carrying or conceal in high risk areas, be prepared. If you're going to be getting a gunfight, that means somebody's going to shoot back at you. So if you're going to present your firearm, make sure you have your flex cuffs, you have a tourniquet ready, and you have some sort of self-protection. All right, that's my PSA for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed. Highly recommend the Premier Body Armor. So far, it's the first wear, so probably do another review a year from now, see how it all holds up, or 6 months on the job, and we'll catch back with you guys. God bless.